Hello friends, today's topic Nifty 50,000 when question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Recently, during a conference, Mr. Ramdev Agarwal, chairman of Motilal Oswal Financial Services and other market fund managers, stated that Nifty is likely to hit 50,000 mark in the next 6 to 7 years. Now I am placing in front of you Nifty milestones. Nifty hit 1000 points year 1996, 4000 points in 2006, 7000 points in 2014, 8,000 points in 2014 and 10,000 points in 2017, 13,000 points in 2020, 14,000 points in 2020 and then 17,000 points in 2021 and 20,000 points in 2023. CAGR of Nifty 50 from 1996 to 2024, April 1996 1000, February 2024 22,200, CAGR 28 years 11.78%. Nifty 22,200 February 2024, 50,000 February 2029 in 5 years if the average returns is 17.7%, 50,000 February 2030 if the Nifty level has to become 50,000 in February 2030, then the time is 6 years and the average returns required 14.5%, and if Nifty has to reach 50,000 February 2031, time 7 years, then Nifty has to give average returns of 12.3% every year. So if Nifty reaching 50,000 mark in around 6 to 7 years, 2030-31, it's very likely that it will require to appreciate by around 12 to 13% per annum. Nifty reaching 50,000 mark in only 5 years, 2029, requires it to appreciate by 17.7% per annum, looking very unlikely since the historical average is only around 12% per annum average. Usually, the index appreciates by 12% per annum average. Individual stocks may raise between 50 to 20% per annum. It will be interesting to see what the stock prices would be. The approximate individual stock prices could be as follows. Approximate estimate of some stock prices. Reliance Industries, today's price 2987. Estimated stock price in 2031, assuming 15%, 7945. Titan Company, today's price 3,692. Estimated stock price in 2031, assuming 15% appreciation, 9,821. HDFC Bank, today's price 1,421. Estimated stock price in 2031, assuming 50% per annum, 3,780. ITC from 411 may reach 1,093. ICICI Bank 1,061 to 2,822, TCS 4,052 to 10,778, and finally Infosys, today's price 1,677, estimated stock price in 2031, assuming 15% per annum, 4,461. Please note that some stocks may appreciate by more than 15% per annum and some may appreciate at a slightly lower rate. Also, some companies may give bonus or split their share and hence their share price may adjust accordingly. However, we expect 15% per annum average from some good stocks over a long period if we monitor them well. Assuming that Nifty 50 index appreciates by 12% per annum on an average, then it will touch 1 lakh mark around 13 to 14 years from now, around the year 2037 to 2038. So although we may not be able to imagine the market so far into the future, it's a question of time for markets to reach such levels. Reasons for stock markets to appreciate in the long term. Number 1, India's GDP growing over the years between 6 and 8% per annum. 2, large number of people investing in our stock markets in the coming years. Currently, only around 8 to 9 crore individual investors may be holding around 14 crore demat accounts. 3, people have understood that other investment alternatives such as bank FD, PPF, insurance, etc. are not giving sufficient returns to beat inflation. 4. Investors will reduce investing in physical assets such as real estate due to non-affordability and lower returns. 5. In India, only 5% invest in stocks and mutual funds, whereas in developed countries, around 40 to 50% invest in stocks directly or indirectly. Hence, if you don't invest a good amount of money in stock markets, you'll regret later when you get good returns, but realize that you could have invested more so that your corpus could have been larger. Around 30% of your total assets can be invested in stocks as long as you know how to invest and manage stocks. Example, if your total assets are worth 20 lakhs, up to 6 lakhs can be invested in stocks for long term. At the end of the video, here is a question. What was the approximate Nifty level when you started investing in stock markets or putting money into mutual funds? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.